How to manage your wallet and billing settings. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Payments from the drop-down menu. Here you can see your available balance, pending payments, and transaction history. People per hour allows you to manage multiple payment methods including PayPal, Pioneer, and bank accounts depending on your location. To update your billing settings or payment method, go to Settings, then Payments. You can add a new account, edit existing payment details, or remove old accounts. Make sure your payment information is accurate to avoid delays in withdrawing your earnings. You can also manage automatic payment preferences, track invoices, and set up withdrawal schedules. Regularly reviewing your wallet and billing settings ensures a smooth and secure payment experience on People per Hour. Now you know how to manage your wallet and billing settings on People per Hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.